Most passive income content is recycled garbage from 2019 dressed up with a 2026 thumbnail. You know the list. Dropshipping, print on demand, blogging. The same ideas that maybe worked when competition was a fraction of what it is now. This video is different. These 8 methods are producing real income for real people right now, and I will give you the actual numbers, not the inflated dream version someone is selling you in a course. The difference between passive income that works and passive income that wastes 6 months of your life comes down to one thing: leverage. You are either leveraging content, code, data, or existing distribution that someone else already built. Everything on this list uses at least one of those. The methods that do not use leverage are not passive. They are just deferred labor. Keep that filter in mind as we go. 1. AI-generated digital products. This is the fastest-moving category in the digital economy right now. People are selling PDF guides, Notion templates, Canva packs, prompt libraries, and spreadsheet systems on Etsy and Gumroad. The model is simple. Create it once, sell it indefinitely. A prompt engineer built a curated library of 300 ChatGPT prompts specifically for marketing teams, listed it on Gumroad at $27, and it generates between $1,200 and $2,800 a month, with zero ongoing work beyond answering the occasional support email. The barrier to entry is low, but the ceiling is low too, unless you build a catalog. The key move here is niche compression. Not Notion templates, but Notion templates for freelance designers. The more specific the problem you solve, the less price resistance you hit. 2. YouTube automation channels. This is real automation, not just making videos yourself. The model uses AI voiceover, licensed stock footage, and AI-assisted scripting to produce faceless channels in high CPM niches like personal finance, technology, and business. A channel generating 500,000 monthly views in a finance niche earns $2,000 to $5,000 from ads alone, before any sponsorships. The catch is honest. It takes 3 to 6 months before a channel generates anything meaningful, and you typically need 30 to 50 videos before the algorithm pushes you. But once momentum builds, videos posted 8 months ago are still earning money every single week without any additional effort on your part. That is the definition of compounding content equity, and it is why people with boring-looking channels are quietly making more than most people with day jobs. 3. Software micro tools. Not a venture-backed SaaS product with a dev team and a roadmap. One specific tiny tool that solves one specific workflow problem. A browser extension that reformats resumes for ATS systems. A calculator that runs rental property returns in 30 seconds. A Chrome plugin that summarizes YouTube transcripts. These sell for $5 to $50 as one-time purchases, or $8 to $20 per month as subscriptions. One solo developer built a tool that generates LinkedIn posts from bullet points using GPT-4. It earns $3,400 a month at $19 per user, currently 180 subscribers, no team, fully bootstrapped. The rule of thumb is to build for a workflow people already have, not a problem you invented that nobody actually asked for. 4. Licensing AI-generated music and art. Generative AI changed the creator economy in ways that have not fully settled yet. You can generate original ambient music tracks using tools like Suno or Udio, or produce original visual assets using Midjourney or Adobe Firefly, and license them on stock platforms like Pond5, Audio Jungle, and Shutterstock. Payouts range from $1.50 to $150 per download, depending on the license type. One creator with a library of 800 ambient and background music tracks earns between $1,800 and $2,400 a month from passive downloads. Money that comes in whether he opens his laptop or not. Platform policies on AI content are still evolving, and music is further ahead than imagery in terms of acceptance. The play is consistent uploads over time and aggressive specific tagging so your catalog surfaces when buyers search. 5. Acquiring existing content assets. This is the one people consistently underestimate. You do not have to build something from zero. You can buy a website, newsletter, or monetized social media account that already generates revenue. Marketplaces like Empire Flippers and Flippa list income-producing assets regularly. A content site earning $500 a month in affiliate revenue typically sells for 24 to 36 times monthly earnings, meaning a $12,000 acquisition that holds flat pays itself back in 2 years and then runs as pure profit indefinitely. Yes, traffic can drop. Algorithms can shift. But buying an asset with 24 months of consistent earnings history reduces your risk dramatically compared to building from scratch and hoping it works. You are buying existing infrastructure and existing income, not a bet on something you have not proven yet. That distinction matters. 6. Dividend investing through automated portfolios. This is the most boring entry on this list, and it is also the most durable. Dividend-focused ETFs like SCHD and VYM return 3.5 to 5% annually in cash. Paid quarterly, no action required. At $100,000 invested, that is $3,500 to $5,000 per year in passive distributions, roughly $290 to $415 a month, with your principal intact and compounding. The only barrier here is capital, not skill or time. For most people watching this, the earlier items on this list are how you accumulate the capital to make this one worth doing. Think of dividend investing as the final income layer, the thing you stack your other income into, not the place you start when you have nothing. 7. AI-assisted content retainers. Brands need a constant supply of short-form content, social posts, email sequences, ad variations, and mid-size companies regularly pay $500 to $3,000 a month for this on retainer. Here is where it becomes semi-passive. You build an AI workflow that generates 30 to 50 pieces of content per month from templates, client brand guides, and a simple brief. A human reviews and sends. One operator in this space manages 6 clients at $800 a month each. That is $4,800 monthly for roughly 6 to 8 hours of actual operational work per client. Once the workflow is built, the marginal cost of adding each additional client drops close to zero. The workflow is the asset. That is what you are actually building. 8. And this is the one I would start with today if I were building from zero. Affiliate marketing through short-form video, not blog posts, not SEO articles. Short-form video on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. The reason this outperforms written affiliate content right now is algorithmic distribution. These platforms push content to new audiences without requiring you to rank in Google or build a following first. Pick one high-ticket affiliate program paying 30 to 50% commission. Software tools, financial products, or online